At Vantage Career Center, passion meets purpose. Students turn hands-on learning into real careers, real skills, and a future that starts now. But don't just take it from us. Hear directly from one of our students.
My name is Cora Meyer, and I am in Ag and Industrial Power Technology at Vantage Career Center, and my home school is Crestview. I chose Ag and Industrial Power at Vantage Career Center to widen my range of skills, and I also grew up on a farm, so I wanted to be able to gain more skills to go back and work on our farm. Junior year at Vantage, you do a lot of welding, mostly stick welding, which I had never done before. Senior year, in order to get your CDL, you go through our CDL training, which is in classroom. Everybody does it your senior year, and then after you get the classroom aspect, you get to go out on our CDL range and drive the semi-truck, and you do 50 hours on the range, and then you do your testing. Vantage also has our own FFA chapter through the Ag Power program, and if that's something you want to participate in, it is open.
Your future starts here. Learn more about this program and many others at VantageCareerCenter.com.